If you understand the term aura, then rest assured that whatever Allu Arjun brings through this film and through this character is the epitome of that. When the first teaser of Pushpa The Rule was dropped, it implied that the film might follow a story in which Pushpa is presumed dead and will come back with a vengeance. Well, sadly, Pushpa 2 The Rule does not have that plotline, but fortunately, I had forgotten about it completely before watching this film, so I was not expecting that. It's only after I watched the film I realized, oh, the teaser implied something completely different. Allu Arjun as Pushpa Raj is just iconic. The aura, the attitude, the charisma, everything is on point. Now, before I start talking about this film and give you the material to start judging me based off of, let me just tell you that I watched the first part of Pushpa as well as this film in a very different mental state. The type of over the top fluff that films like Pushpa and its sequel gives me is in a league of its own. So I don't compare it to any other film. I don't watch it with a lot of logic. I just watch and judge it based off of whether it's giving me a good experience or not. For me, Pushpa 2 The Rule did give me a very good experience. Now, the world of the film itself is a larger than life reality. Hence, the larger than life persona and the logic defying stunts are very, very entertaining. The way the first film had ended, it implied that Bhavar Singh Shekhawat, played by Fahad Fasil, would be a force to be reckoned with. The guy might find some legal loopholes and try his level best to corner Pushpa in the sequel. But unfortunately, Fafa's character in this film was a complete waste. He does things like it seems like he's doing something, but he gets tricked by Pushpa very easily. Like it's not completely clear whether his character dies in the film or not, but he just exits the film very randomly. While the film shines in showcasing Pushpa's rule throughout the city, his conflict with Bhavar Singh Shekhawat, which was supposed to be the highlight of the second film, remains very, very undercooked. Shekhawat isn't set up to be some mastermind who can call Pushpa's bluff from a mile away. Neither is he set up to be a physical challenge to Pushpa. Hence, in the second half of the film, we are introduced to these new guys who become the main bad guy for the final act of the film. And why does Pushpa fight these random guys? Because the film forces in a personal connection by having those guys kidnap Pushpa's brother's daughter. It's very forced. However, the final action set piece of the film is right up there with that of RRR for me. Not in terms of storytelling, not in terms of what's happening on screen, but in terms of the sheer fucking madness and suspension of disbelief. I mean, the guy's arms and legs are all tied up, yet he's able to kill most of the guys, and in physics defying manner that should not work but somehow does. And it made me hoot and cheer like a fucking madman. Pushpa the Rule focuses on his tussle with Bhavar Singh Shekhawat as well as his family dynamics, especially his relationship with his wife Shrivalli, who, for some reason in this film, is always horny. Like, even though I felt like the love story between the two characters in the first film was quite fuck all, in this film it's slightly more entertaining, more fun, better, and there is one take monologue of Rashmika Mandana that I really liked, and it ended in a very funny way as she was screaming at the crowd, and all of a sudden she switches to talk to Allu Arjun and she's very soft spoken and very calm and composed. That was a funny scene, but in a good way. Now, I like the fact that the only thing I absolutely hate about this film is the song Kisik. And earlier it was just the lyrics of the song of how fucking awful they were. But in the context of the story, the song makes no fucking sense because it's a celebration for Shrivalli that she's pregnant and Pushpa's family, but Pushpa is dancing on stage with another woman. Like, what? Kya chal raha hai ye? But that's the only thing that I absolutely hated in the film. Everything else I was fine with. I was just disappointed with how they treated Fahad Fasil. And in the opening scene of the film, there is a very random ass scene of Pushpa with a tiranga in the background and Desh Bhakti music playing. I'm like, kya? Kyun ho raha hai ye? Fahad Fasil, when he was introduced at the end of the first film, was a very impactful character. But in the second film, he's just lame. He gets insulted a lot and he doesn't do anything meaningful to impact Pushpa. He just does things, Pushpa outsmarts him, and then he's like, Are maa ki choot. Pushpa 2, The Rule, is larger than life and outrageous in more good ways than bad. It's definitely Allu Arjun's most iconic character, and his career best performance. However, the film still leaves threats from the first film unresolved, and I hope that Pushpa 3 The Rampage is the final chapter of this trilogy, and it neatly ties up all the loose ends that we have been following so far. It's a 3 hour and 21 minutes long film, and 1 year later, we have started to see the impact Animal has on Indian cinema as directors are making outrageously long films. And the ending is very similar to that of Animal as the film is going on and credits are rolling. Then then there is one scene and the title of the next film appears on screen, very similar to Animal, and the title appears much later in the film. So yeah, Animal has had his impact on Indian cinema, which might be a good thing. I woke up at 8 in the morning to watch a 10 a.m. show, and मैं ठंड में स्कूटी पे बैठ के गया, and when I walked out of the theater, I was genuinely very entertained. I had fun. It was a great theater experience. People were hooting and laughing and cheering for Allu Arjun. I did that too. So, like I have seen a few reviews, people have hated this film. Maybe they have. Everyone has their own standard, and I do too. But this is one film that I watched with a very different mindset, and I absolutely enjoyed. So feel free to judge me, and I'm not ashamed of liking this film. I'm not ashamed at the fact that Arjun Veli was the top song in my Spotify Wrapped this year. And yeah, so it's a like, if you want to just have a good time, go and watch Pushpa the Rule. It's it's fun. It's mindless, dumb fun.
कंटिन्यूटी इशू नहीं है भाई, पिक्चर के अंदर कंटिन्यूटी है ही नहीं किसी चीज को लेके। एक शॉट में गुटका राज भैया 4-5 गुंडों को ना पेल के ना उनको बदनाम करके मुंह काला करके उनको ना गंजा कर देता है। वही लौंडे 10 दिन के बाद एक और किडनैपिंग कर लेते हैं, और वो क्या होता है, उनके बाल वापिस। आदिवासी वाले घने वाले आदिवासी तेल लगा रहे होंगे ना, वो घने बाल वापिस। बहन चौबी तो गंजा किया था उसको।
भाई अगर थोड़े अपने बायसेस साइड करके ध्यान से देख लेता तो उनके आधे बाल कम थे और आधे बाल बड़े हुए थे, इम्प्लाइंग कि उनको गंजा करने के बाद थोड़ा टाइम हो चुका है कि उनके आधे बाल वापस आ गए हैं, बाकी के और लंबे हो गए हैं। तो ठीक है, यू हेट दिस फिल्म, आई गेट इट, बट निट पिक करना है तो अच्छे से करो यार।